Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
आता एक I promise केल्या आणि केल्ली. Whether I become president and I don't become president, whether they elect me or they don't elect me, one thing I will do, I will demolish all the illegal houses which are in Communidade land. This is the promise to the Gaonkas I had given. Is today I am telling the media, whichever the house is standing, how much ever the old the house is, it will be demolished as per the law, as per the Supreme Court order. There are two places I will clarify: Sainagar, Ramtolem. Both the houses, both the places, both the properties of Communidade without any NOC. कोणेच NOC दिवंक ना तांकां, कांयच बरोवन ना. So I don't think so that will be standing.
Total how many houses are there?
More or less 60.
More than 60. So all will be demolished?
Yes. If I demolish one, I have to demolish everybody.